Hello, Philosophy friends. We have a new YouTube video coming at ya. It's a papaya summer smoothie. And in case you don't know, papaya is an acquired taste. And once you get used to it, and in the smoothie it's really, you can barely even taste it. It is so beneficial for digestion, for reducing bloat, and just helping things move along, if you know what I'm saying. So this will slim you down, reduce bloat, make you feel super energized. It's high in antioxidants, superfoods. It's gonna give you lots of energy. This is great, honestly, any time of day. You could even have this as a meal replacement. I love having in the summertime a good, refreshing smoothie for even dinner. Put a bunch of toppings on it. It's just makes you feel light and clean and amazing. So we are gonna get started. I have one full papaya, one that I already pre-cut and started taking. So basically you cut the papaya in half the long way, and then you scrape out the seeds. The little black seeds, you can use a very small amount, about a tablespoon in the smoothie if you're feeling adventurous. And it does help with cleansing the liver. It has antioxidants in it. It's good for digestion, totally optional. If we're getting crazy already with the papaya, don't do the seeds. If you've had papaya a million times and you know you love it, then add a little bit of seeds and just see how it makes you feel. Put the papaya in the smoothie, and then you just need some coconut meats. This is frozen coconut meat I got from Whole Foods. You can get it online as well. This is a Sambazon pouch, Tropical Immunity. It's an organic super fruit pack. I love Sambazon. They're the ones that, if you go to other acai recipes, I always use their frozen acai. It just makes life so much easier. It tastes delicious. This is one of their newer Tropical Immunity superfruit packs. So I'm gonna this in there. It has pineapple and banana and all kinds of amazing antioxidants in it. So that's a really great way to get in a ton of superfoods in one. And you know how I feel about that. I like efficiency, which is why we love our superfood blends, because it's efficient. It has tons of superfoods, tons of ingredients that will just fuel you, plant-based protein, all the good things that we love. The base for today is gonna be our cashew milk. This is our cashew milk recipe is on our YouTube, so go over to that video if you wanna make your own cashew milk. If not, any almond milk, make sure there's no carrageenan in it, but any almond milk or boxed coconut milk will do just fine. Even coconut water would be delicious in this. Now I'm gonna add my berry bliss powder. So this has 10 grams of protein per tablespoon. It smells so good. You can tell it's good for you when you smell it. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of this since it's a bigger smoothie and it just tastes so good in this kind of tropical situation. Having papaya before bedtime as like a dessert, I have it all the time. It really makes me feel, I wake up and I feel really good, really light. It helps me go to the restroom. It just helps all systems a go. So I highly recommend, if you do like the flavor, having it and it doesn't bother you. Sometimes people think it tastes a little off. Once you get used to it, having a papaya before bed is a great way and a great trick for digestion issues and just to keep you regular. Even if you don't have any digestive issues, it still just helps. So I'm putting this whole packet of coconut meat in here. I'm gonna add some strawberries. You could do frozen or fresh. Normally I would leave the greens on and just pop it in there, but I'm trying to keep a lighter color. So taking off the green tops, plop those in there. You can do about a half cup. You can also just follow your intuition and decide on what you would like in your smoothie. This is all very intuitive. This is not necessarily an exact recipe. It's just a foundation for you to then play around. If you have raspberries, that would be really good in this and keep the color. If you had papaya or dragon fruit, that would be really good in this. So I'm doing about maybe 3/4 of a cup of strawberries. And then we need to do our coconut dream. You could use either our berry coconut butter or our green coconut butter. Yummy. And we have a new blend of this, so it's super creamy and delicious. I'm doing 2 heaping tablespoons of this, which will add all the great green properties, but not make it super green looking, and all the amazing organic raw coconut butter magic, which is good for healthy skin, healthy joints, healthy organs, protects all of our organs. We love good, healthy fats. Do not be afraid. And then that's everything. I'm just gonna blend it away. I'm gonna add the berry bee honey after I decide if it needs it. So it might not even need it, but it might. It's really good. I'm gonna add a little honey. It's not super sweet. Do about half a tablespoon of honey. And now it'll be perfect. And if you don't like too sweet, then just don't do the honey. Because honey is such a superfood on its own, organic, raw, unfiltered, then we have the superfood powder inside of it. So there's no reason to be sugar weird about this. This has lots of fiber, which helps balance all the blood sugar levels along with the good healthy fats. If you were just having a fruit smoothie, no, that will spike your blood sugar levels. But because this has good healthy fats from the coconut meat, from our coconut butter, the fiber from the whole fruit and vegetable, like that's important. And then it all helps it stabilize. So then you can just pour it right into your papaya. And add your toppings. I'm gonna do some bee pollen, which is high in B vitamins and nutrients, and edible flowers. So beautiful, and it's so important when you're eating intuitively to take the time to really feel into what ingredients you want. Use the creative process to decorate your food. Make it inspire you so that when you go to eat it, you can really feel connected and mindful and slow down, which is the essence of being present, is being mindful. And then it'll just be digested even more easily into your system, the ingredients on its own, but the energy that you take towards it and that mindfulness that you're embodying will allow it to just fill your body and your cells with so much goodness. So enjoy it and tag us on Instagram, Philosophie Love, and give us a comment on YouTube if you're watching this on YouTube and let us know your thoughts.